iNovemberain, and welcome back into my channel again. So today I am gonna make a Filipino dipping sauce because as a Filipina we are obsessed of a dipping sauce. So every food that we ate, we need a dipping sauce, but unfortunately it's hard for me to find hot pepper here in the United States, because you cannot find this at Walmart, and also you can only find this at the Asian store, which is the Asian store in my state. It is like 50 to 60 miles away from us. So today I am gonna make this because I am so bored. We cannot get out because of the virus. I mean, you can still get out, but it's better to stay home. And also it is raining outside, so there is no way that we can go outside today. It's a bad day to go outside. So what we have here is the hot pepper and a vinegar and a bottle. So this is a wine bottle, and I love to drink wine. So so this white vinegar, this is distilled white vinegar. So if you have a coconut vinegar at home, you can use those because that one is freaking good. So this one, there's only 5% of acidity. You can still use this to make a dipping sauce because in America, vinegar is used for cleaning vegetables, cleaning the houses, but in the Philippines we use for dipping sauce. So let's go. And first is we were gonna put a vinegar over here, and we put this one. And also you can do this also if you have a ginger and a garlic, you can combine those two in here. But for me, I would rather have a plain one. And let's do this. Oh my god, it's so vinegar. Open this frozen hot peppers. I save this in the freezer because to save the life of the peppers, so please use gloves because you don't want your hands to be super spicy later. So all you have to do is remove the heads, like this heads. Jesus. So like this head, you have to remove this and put this in here. This is really easy, guys. And yeah, just do like this. So in this household, I use vinegar because I make adobo. So that's why I have vinegar. But but my husband don't use vinegar. But now I'm gonna have my dipping sauce, and I'm so excited about it. So you have to remove the heads.